Welcome to my YouTube channel, House Plan 2D Drawing. I'm going to be teaching you guys today on how to increase your line width and also export it outside. So what you want to do now is, I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You right click and click on True Line Width. As you can see, it automatically thickens this line, but I don't want this colored, so I'm just going to zoom out, go to wall, click on wall, press Ctrl A on my keyboard, and click on this generic structure. So what I did was that I Ctrl A so that I could select all the walls, and I select on this generic structure and scroll down and select S-space. When I select S-space, I press escape and zoom in. So as you can see, everything here is actually white. Okay, so let me explain what line width does. Line width only shows you how thickened the line is. So if I untick this, as you can see, it's just normal line. But if I actually tick the line width, it shows me how thickened the line is. So when I want to export it outside, this is the way it's going to look like. Okay, but if I want to thicken this line more than this, because if I zoom out, I can only see it faintly. So let's say I want to thicken this line more than this. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on wall, Ctrl A, and click on settings dialog, and I'll click on this floor plan and section, scroll down. So as you can see, it's going to show me here that the cut line pen here is 0.35 millimeter. So when I click on this black line here, it's showing me that this is my actual millimeter. This is actually the line width I'm using, which is 0.35 millimeter. Okay, so I'm just going to exit from here, click escape, and for me to increase the line width now, I'm going to go to options, scroll down to elements attribute, and click on pens and color model views. Then this is the black line that got chosen, which was 0.35. I'm going to change it to, let me say, 0.70. okay, and it's going to actually bring this, store as. I'm going to click the store as, and I'll just leave it like this, 0.3 architectural 100 copy, and I'm going to click store, and I'll click on OK. So automatically I've changed this line width that is here. Okay, I'll click on OK, and automatically it thickens my line. As you can see, the line thickens automatically. So this is how to change your line width in Archicad. So when you want to export it, if I click on Mark It To, and I will just I'm going to hold on left click, I'll click on Mark It To, left click, and drag it out. Okay, and I'm going to Ctrl P. But if you don't want to do the Ctrl P, all you can do is go to File, click on click on Print, and click on black and white, fit to page setup. Page setup, you can change either you want your page to look landscape or portrait. Okay, it's your choice, and you can change the whatever, I don't know, whatever you want to change here. I always leave mine at Microsoft Print to PDF, and I'll click on OK, and I'll click print, and it's going to show me where I want to save the file. I'm just going to save the file to desktop, and I'll just name it, let me name it Shrey. Okay, and I'm going to save. So if I minimize this, I'll click on the tree, and let me view in full screen mode. As you can see, this is how the line is going to look like when you print it out as PDF, or when you print it out in to your printer. This is how the line is going. This is how it's going to look like. So these are the ways you can use to increase your line width in Archicad. This is the way you can increase your line width in Archicad. But note, the only reason why we take this true line width is actually to view how it looks like when you're about to change it to PDF. Because if I untick this now, it's just going to turn back to a normal to the normal line width. It's not even going to show any line width at all. But if I take it, it's going to show me the kind of line width there is. Okay, let me show you guys something. If you click on the line here and let me say I want to draw a box like this, as you can see, it doesn't thicken the way this one does. So what you want to do is, when you're about to take the line, you come here. As you can see, is at this 0.13 millimeter here, this black line here. So you want to choose the one you did, which was 0.70 millimeter. You click on it, and if you draw the box now, it's going to thicken just the way this one does. Okay, so even though it's a circle, you have to come here and you change it to 0.70 to the one you actually did, and it thickens. And if you've actually drawn this one already, if you want to change it to this line here, to this thickened one, you can select on the box, come here and change it to 0.70 millimeter. When you take this, automatically it also changes. So this is how to increase your line width in Archicad. Thank you for watching my video. If my video has been of any help to you, kindly subscribe, comment and like, and I will see you in my other tutorial videos. Thank you.